Okay, now it's time to talk about subtracting a positive number. Again, you may be looking at this and saying, I already know this. Well, I'm confident that you know this one. I'm a little, uh, most of you probably handle that. And then when it gets to these two, some of you are probably, oh, brother, I'm not sure what to do. So, let's hit it. 4 minus 3. I'll go quickly through this one because this is the one that everybody knows. 4 minus, though. Minus means take away. So we're taking away 3, which means we're moving 3 to the left. We end up at 1. Or, more physically, if we have 4 positives and we take away 3 of them, that means gone. Take away 1, take away 2, take away 3, and what are we left with? We're left with 1 positive. Okay, 3 minus 4, a little bit trickier, but not much. 3 minus 4, you start with 3. The first number is where you start. You start with 3. And take away 4, so we're backing up now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we end up at negative 1. We could also look at it this way. You got 3 positives, plus, 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 and we want to take away 4 positives. Oh, well, I can't take away more than I have, so let's add a positive. Now I got 4 positives to take away, but notice I added a positive. I can't add a positive without also adding a negative, because see, this positive and negative cancel each other out, making 0. But now I have 4 positives. I can take away 4 positives now. So in blue, I'm going to take away 1, take away 2, take away 3, take away 4, and I'm left with that 1 negative. Now, taking away a positive from a negative, well, nothing changes. Negative 4 is where we start. We're subtracting 3 from it, so that means move 3 to the left. 1, 2, 3. And we end up at negative 7. Illustrated with the pluses and minuses, well, we've got 4 negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4. But we have to take away 3 positives from that. Well, I can't take away 3 positives that I don't have, so I'm going to put 3 positives in there. But to cancel out those 3 positives, I can't add those 3 positives without also adding 3 negatives. So we have 0 here, 0 here, and 0 here. We really added 0 3 times. But now we have those 3 positives to take away, and I'll take them away. 1, 2, 3. They're gone. And what am I left with? 7 negatives. All right. Negative 3 minus 4. We start at negative 3. And we subtract 4, take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We end up at negative 7. And the plus minus illustration, well, we start with 3 negatives. 1, 2, 3. And we had to take away 4 positives. Well, we can't take away positives that aren't there, so we stick 4 positives in there. But to balance out those 4 positives that we add, we have to add 4 negatives. And again, we have 0 there, 0 there, 0 there, 0 there. So when we take away those 4 positives, take away 1, take away 2, take away 3, take away 4, we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 negatives. Now you notice, hopefully, that negative 4 minus 3 and negative 3 minus 4, well, they're both negative 7. Well, negative 4 and 3, we could think about this from the difference perspective as well. We could think about negative 4 and 3. Negative 4 and 3 are the two numbers involved in the subtraction. They're 7 apart, but the number being taken away is bigger than the number taken away from. So the difference is 7, but it's negative 7 because what's being subtracted was bigger than what you're subtracting from. Negative 3 and 4. They're still 7 apart, but 4 is bigger than negative 3. That's why the difference is negative. And looking back here, 3 and 4 are only 1 apart. And the number is subtracted, but 3 is less than 4, so the difference is positive. 3 and 4 are only 1 apart, but this time the number being subtracted is bigger than what you're subtracting from, so the difference is negative. So you can think about it from the difference perspective as well. But regardless, you can think about number line or the pluses and minuses canceling out, and there you have it.